Ready to rock? Do you enjoy listening to fabulous drum solos? Do you think they're too long, too short, too busy? There is a way to play a drum solo that is just right. It's kind of like telling a great story. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end or climax. You don't have to play like mad right off the bat. You won't last very long anyway. And plus, it won't be very dynamic. Start off slow. Maybe a simple beat or two, and increase it with fills and make it breathe. As you increase the amount of fills, you can then add crashes, increase tempo, put in faster fills, and work your way to the big finish. It is an art to do a drum solo that people want to stay and watch. Think about the great drum solos you've watched. If you can, watch them on YouTube. Or try to remember one you saw live. Drum solos that I've watched have always inspired me to go home and practice. I couldn't wait to go home and sit on my drums and practice for hours on end, having a great time. Need some inspiration? Watch some YouTube videos by Buddy Rich or Neil Peart of Rush, and then go for it yourself. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe and check out my other video, 5 mistakes most people make when drumming.